the shop here at Westcott Designs, and we've got a few Tundras in here today on Tuesday. Share this with you. Got a limited here. This one's got the air ride on it. And this one is a SR5 with springs in the rear, no air ride. This one here, not sure yet, can't see behind the wheel. Looks like this is a spring truck. This is a limited. And then another one here. This is a platinum. This one's already got our collar installed here. You can see it down here at the bottom. So this one's going back together. I think I just saw the wheels and tires over on the alignment, or excuse me, on the wheel machine. So pretty cool to see 4 Tundras in here right now at the same time on Tuesday. And this one has the springs in it, no air ride. So please reach out to us if you're interested in getting your Tundra done. Obviously we do a lot of them, do 15 to 20 of them a week here at the shop, and very well rounded in our lift kits on the Tundra. So we'd love to help you in any way if we can. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy.